The Jamaican Sexual Harassment Act is an act that was passed in the Upper House of Parliament on Friday, October 1, 2021. The law is gender-neutral and aims to protect and prevent sexual harassment against both men and women. So, what is sexual harassment? Sexual harassment is defined as unwelcome sexual conduct that is viewed as offensive or humiliating by the receiving party. It's important to note that the fact the aggrieved party had previously welcomed such conduct does not prevent their right to make a complaint in regard to other similar future behavior. Okay guys, so the big question here is, what does sexual harassment actually consist of? Well, sexual harassment includes persistent unwanted sexual advances, such as inappropriate touching, which the receiving party indicates that it is unwelcomed. Any implicit or explicit threat directed to a person who refuses a sexual proposal. Any promise of a benefit or a reward based on compliance to a sexual proposal. Continued or repeated commentaries about a person's body or body parts. Any promise of a benefit or a reward based on compliance to a sexual proposal. Finally guys, sexual harassment in Jamaica includes, but isn't necessarily limited to, continued criticism about a person's body or body parts. The use of offensive sexual languages. Any display of pornographic material. And any persistent unwanted social invitations. Where the complainant is directly supervised by the alleged offender, the complainant should, where possible, from time of notification of the offense, be placed under the supervision of another person. So the question is, where in an organization should sexual harassment complaints be dealt with? Well, that's a very good question. I would answer that by saying that most organizations prefer that the sexual harassment policy be situated in the Human Resource Department, and therefore all complaints are thus directed to Human Resources, and all investigations are also conducted by them. The Human Resources Department should activate the process through the taking of written statements. The accuser should include in the statement dates, how many times the incident happened, the nature of the behavior, and the names of any witnesses. In deciding whether or not the alleged conduct represents sexual harassment, the Human Resource Department should inspect the records of both offender and accuser and examine the context in which the alleged incident took place. A hearing should be conducted within a specific time period, with both parties through representatives being able to field questions to the other side. In regards to penalties, if allegations are proven to be true, penalties will be applied based on different levels of harassment. Repeat offenders should be given more serious sanctions than first-timers.
Remember to subscribe and hit the bell icon for your notifications. Like, comment and share for more fantastic videos.